Silent E, Part 3. Silent, shh. The letter has no sound. What letters are the same in all of these words? The last letters are L, E. Is the letter before L a vowel or a consonant? The letter before L is a consonant, not a vowel. Where is the syllable stress in these words? Table, apple, circle. The last syllable does not have stress. Table, apple, circle. In English, every syllable must have a vowel. If the last syllable is a consonant and L, we add a silent E. The sound of L is ul, and the syllable does not have stress. Now it's your turn. Read these words. People, uncle, purple,